The books that we have in the library represent a very small percentage of what is available to you as a student at Hiram. We have access to materials from academic and public libraries throughout the state of Ohio via partnerships with OhioLINK and SearchOhio. To search those catalogs, look for the OhioLINK and SearchOhio catalogs on the homepage of library.hiram.edu in the Begin Your Research Here box. These materials can help you with your research, or may be a way to locate course materials. Contact us at library@hiram.edu if you have any questions about searching for materials. To search within OhioLINK, select the OhioLINK Catalog tab in the Begin Your Research Here box. You have the option to search by keyword, title, author, or subject. Select the type of search you would like to do using the pull-down menu, and then enter your search phrase in the box and click on Search. You will get back a list of potential matches. After you find the item you would like to borrow, click on the green Request button to the left of the item's row. You will then be prompted to select your school or institution. Choose Hiram College from the pull-down menu and click Submit. Next, you will be prompted to enter your name and your barcode, which is your student ID number. Leave the Pickup Institution and Pickup Location fields on their default Hiram College and Library Ask Here desk options, and click the green Submit button. You will be notified via email when your item arrives at the library. Just stop in at the Ask Here desk to pick up your items. Searching in the SearchOhio catalog is very similar to using the OhioLINK catalog. You will begin your search by selecting the SearchOhio catalog tab in the Begin Your Research Here box on the library's homepage. Click on the SearchOhio catalog hyperlink that appears, and then perform your search for your item. Once you have identified your item, open that item's entry and click on the green Request Item button. You will again be asked for your affiliated library, Hiram College, and asked to provide your last name and barcode. You will be notified via email when your item arrives at the library. Just stop into the Ask Here desk to pick up your items. If you need an item that cannot be found either on our shelves or through OhioLINK or SearchOhio, contact us at library@hiram.edu and we will explore other means of accessing items for you.